Hello everyone, today we're learning how to use Magic Morph on Canva. Magic Morph will help you turn your design into something more unique by morphing the elements to something that is unique as with your specified style. Now first, what we're going to want to do is click on apps, and we can type in here Magic Morph, but it is also currently featured over here, so let's just click on that and click on open. So I'm clicking on the text element that says perfume. So what we can do is, for this visual, we want to project something that is classy. So we're meant to make it turn the texture into gold. Definitely gold helps with projecting something that feels luxurious. Or you could also have a look at the different examples over here to give you an idea of what you can do. So click Magic Morph and wait for the AI to work on its magic. And here we have 4 different choices for the prompt that we have given. So I'm going to take this one, enlarge it so it fits the size of the original, and lay it over the original so it looks like there's some kind of shadow. We can delete these two. And there we have our text now golden because of our Magic Morph feature. Click on go back if you want to work on tweaking more elements. We can click on, let's say for example, these little dots over here. Now it's important to make note also that Magic Morph doesn't support documents, SVGs, illustrations, painting styles, raster images, or video that includes some animated stickers and videos. So Magic Morph will mostly work on text and elements like this one. So what we can do is we can pick this one where it says jewels, bedazzle it with jewels to project a little bit more of the luxury element for this perfume post, and we can click on Magic Morph. And now let's wait for the AI to work on its magic. And here we have it. We got different styles for the bedazzling of our dots over there. So since our graphic is a little bit of green, let's select this one. And there you go. Now I can just replace this and fit it to the size of the dots. So that way it would look like there's a shadow for the bedazzled jewels. And there we go. Now we have these dots as bedazzled jewels. It's important to note as well that for the prompts over here, normally it would be better to have naturally occurring patterns, like let's say zebra stripes, candy canes, rocky paths, or you could also specify descriptions of an object with a distinctive texture, like maybe a Halloween pumpkin, and also glossy or shiny results, like for example what we said earlier, the gold and the bedazzling jewels. Now if you don't have elements that could work for this, you could also add an element over here. Let's say the star as an example element, and you could do the same. You could click on jewels and click on Magic Morph. And there we have it. Now our star is very much bedazzled. We could select which one we think would fit the vibe of our graphics more. So we can pick this one. Now this one's a little bit closer to what could fit for our graphic, but definitely if you want, you could also go back and specify the color of the jewels. Let's say bedazzle it with silver and gold jewels. As with any AI tool, the more specific you are, the better, and click on generate new results. Let's just get this star out of the way for now and wait for the AI to work its magic. And as you can see, because we specified what kind of color or maybe the type of bejeweling that we want, we have a little bit more specific results. So we could just select this one to fit the corner of the graphic over here, and we can just remove the blue one. And there you have it. Now we got this bejeweled star with gold and silver patterns. Now in terms of what wouldn't work for the prompts in Magic Morph, it wouldn't work very well if you make abstract descriptions, like for example you say make it ethereal, or fuzzy texture, like for example teddy bear fur, or if you want to create your own patterns, like let's say red and black stripes, a row of tiny rubber duckies. Those prompts wouldn't work very well with Magic Morph. This is in accordance to Canva's help articles themselves. For best results, bold text like this one will also help showcase better the style you want from your prompt compared to just regular with text like this one. So just always remember that Magic Morph works better for elements that are heavier or thicker, like heavier text or thicker shapes. And that's about it for Magic Morph. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, comment. It will help us reach more people. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this one. Thank you!